Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Hi, my name's Emily, and today I'm going to teach you how to code. Whether you want to start coding or you already know how to code, you can use these tips and tricks. Code.org. Code.org is an easy site to start off with if you want to learn how to code. First of all, why it's easy is because you drag blocks to code. When you drag your blocks to code, you can move up, down, or left or right. If you're on a computer, you can use your arrow keys. You can either play or make a game. For the first 9 levels, you play, and for the last 10th level, you can make a game. Some games that are on there are Star Wars, Minecraft, and just other cartoon characters. On the 10th level of Code.org, when you make it, you can also share it with your friends. HTML. HTML is a web page that you can make it on. Does anyone know what a web page is? Okay, if you don't know what a web page is, some popular web pages are Facebook, Twitter, and Google. Now, to make coding easier for your web page, you can go to W3 Schools. How you program on HTML is you use a notepad. You don't need something special to code. An easy topic to start with for your coding is All About Me. That's what I did for my first one. Now, I think personally my webpage was better than Google, and I think anybody in here can make theirs better than Google. Now, if you're wondering, what do I put in my webpage? Here are some things you can add to your webpage. A link. What is a link? Well, a link is if you have your webpage, you can go to one site to another site. For example, if you have YouTube on your webpage, you can click on the link and it will take you to YouTube. Now, if you're wondering how do you get it onto your webpage, you can copy the link name and then you name it. For example, my YouTube channel, or whatever your picture name is or a video is. Now, if you want a photo on your website, you put SRC, and that stands for source, and then you get it from your file, and you put ALT, and that's pretty much just what you want to name it. Now, if you want color on yours, if you want color on your background, you select your color, and then you put background. If you want it on your text, you select your color, and then you put color. Python. Python is a more advanced website, so if you want to start coding on that, you might want to have a partner to help you. Now, one thing that's good about it is, first you use script, and you can write whatever you want on it, and you can program it onto your robot, not on like HTML or Code.org. Code.org, you just use blocks and do the character that's on there, and for HTML, it turns into a web page. If you think coding is hard at first, well, I thought that too. But once you get the hang of coding, it gets pretty easy. I hope you try these tips and tricks at home. I hope you liked it.